Greetings, I am Steve and I will be discussing another interesting Ielts topic. In this final lesson of Chapter 1, we'll be discussing the steps in talking about goals, dreams and ambitions. Goals, dreams and ambitions are common topics in Ielts. To begin, let's first define these terms. A goal is an idea of a desired result that you envision, plan and commit to achieve. It is similar to objectives. An ambition is the desire to achieve something and is usually something that you are motivated or determined to achieve. A dream, on the other hand, is something you can idly achieve without trying or taking steps. The first step in talking about these things simply entails mentioning your goal, dream or ambition using the simple present tense or future tense. You can start with statements with one of these patterns. Some questions are also futuristic, and the words hope and would may be used to talk about future goals, dreams and ambitions. Here are additional patterns you can use. The next step is to explain or give reasons why you have this goal, dream or ambition. Include a description of your goal, dream or ambition, as well as the reason for setting your goals or the reason for having that dream or ambition in your answer. You can also share an experience regarding this or talk about a person who helped or motivated you to have this goal, dream or ambition. Use cohesive devices to express your reasons and take note of the verb tenses that you will use. Look at these examples. If you're going to talk about an experience, you can either use simple past or present perfect tense. But if you're going to talk about facts, use simple present. Remember that these tenses have different usage, so you have to be accurate in using them. The third and final step in this lesson is to explain how you plan to achieve your goals and ambitions and to make your dreams a reality. Remember to include the steps or the course of action that you're currently taking or plan to take to attain your goals, dreams and ambitions. Here are some expressions to help you express your answer. The first conditional is used to talk about something that will possibly come true in the future if certain things are done. Study the structure and the respective examples. Now, let's utilize all three steps in our sample answer. That concludes our lesson for today. Remember these three steps when you talk about goals, dreams and ambitions. Until next time.